What's up, boys? It's your boy Skia Keys, and welcome to Skia TV. Kiflavor ntate, siqale iteksini lento. Sobona ukuthi isithathe sisaphi. Kiflavor, kisandile. So, starting sokudla manje. It's time to go buy food. 10 weeks. But man, ihlala sibhayisiseka azibondiwe. Every month kwamele kube inyama enhloko. Sike sithole something different. Kwada ngicine mina inyama enhloko kahle kahle mina bengigawula la idlela. Manje singiyamangala sesithenga lana esibondiwe. Yebo. Bafethu, thatha uyakwazi ukupheka?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Yabona Skia Keys komele ngabe manje ngokuhlobo bafuna umsebenzi. Ngizoniqosha.
Yeah, go for food.
Yakhe inyama enhloko. Hayi sibale sombona next time. Ayizabile. Asitholi lento esiyifunayo. Sesizabe zonke izitori. Sebesodla inyama enhloko once. Ha.
Wina kuma 70 100 wathola. I know I ngiceda ngathi bayamazi la office kuthanda. You want to down to 5,000.
Salinde. Uzande athi ceda ukuvuka ithi ile busy up and down. Except busy up and down. Ba. 3 ships ngwana. 3 ships. 3 ships leyo mfowethu.
Ade shop. Ade stamata masini yenzela.
Ngenzela amasini. Utheli spicy mfowethu.
Awufasi 3 chips.
Utheli i-sauce.
Ngifasa sauce.
That's why. That's why Bana. Shoot on the side that wall. What a big bite off. Shot on 50 rand. Shot on 5 rand now. So alternative. So thenga kamthimbane ngoba sithi shot on 5 rand.
Like basically, we are holding potes that go to a year.
Wesomatekisi.
Ngiyasola ukuthi ngiyenzilile angisakwazi ukuyibuyisela back to normal. Ngifake ama-experimental like theme kuma-icon from the phone. Now I can't turn them back to normal because they look inconsistent.
Ukusebenzisa ifoni kaTimu. Ifoni yakho kaTimu.
Sorry.
kaTimu.
Okay, futhi ubhalane.
Chakhe manje yakho. Anikhulumisana.
Uzathini?
Athini.
Yes.
Athini.
Khuluma ka.
Izitori zakho.
The machine convince mapoliti.
Ngendawo. Mina ngendawo ngena mina la. Indaba yakho nobawuleli. Ngitshela ngathi mina ngingakufaka ngoba baqabana di2 baqeda yakufaka.
No.
That's why I get tell you no matter ngimtshele ngathi ngingangifaka.
Fire sir. Even misunderstanding.
Yeah.
Mapoliti katanqile ukuthi ngikundele. And that day hatla mnikise mchini wala pula akaya. Sikakena ka hona tsamalona mchini. option since ubhakile ngokuthela ukumithi imvula la phili and then waqala ukuvula kuma Friday
umshini we
uleli angazi uleli mangaletha unegazoli
maye bakubhenile
I don't know man mawulethu vele angikwatela uthini azakhuphutele in time kada man nakubona jwala
itozini bonile hayi
and find out ubone bachula kada ile kanda
ya khutsa guys
Setting Lady.
baba wami so clear
oh skantolla ditshrakinyana ntse tliniwa ke utlwa mana re ke eng ntshela something like that so ba tlina va yonke indawo phela bangashi basikrisela thaba tse le vivi ba sa qoqi ba khotsa ba se le jwalo
sukene usingethe khala mabhela
I'm very kind by the way.
ke ka tlung no
ya jola nine
ke di thana o se ka tlung ba ke tse mo tsantsa go phone Razor boy. It's a Motorola dog.
Motorola ngo-2026
Motorola.
aleyo company ayisekho nala eSouth Africa
Ikhona.
ya yikho ngazokomba mama
Motorola. Let me show you the new Motorola.
ngibonisa new Motorola
Nala ama-race nala flipper.
mara ayinamsebenzi kufanele ukuthi uthenge iMobicel
Kusho ba.
ngiyakutshela uthenga iMobicel ngo-2026
Mobicel yani, Mobicel 14K awumeka kancane.
kuthatha isikhathi kangakanani ukuyi-check-a?
No, and like ngifuna which one do you want to see, the Razor Flip or the normal phone?
It's 2026 Motorola 2026 le phone le ka 2009 sure le phone ka 2009
2024
Motorola
2024 akudala
Motorola
24 le
sibona le latest ithi lapho buza lapha ungabuza no WhatsApp umbuzo ukuthi what is the latest
okay Z2
yes
Z2
2026
yeah
okay see
let me switch on the brightness.
Keep going.
Okay, how do we? Can I click on one of them and it's oh yeah, man.
is this the phone
Oh yeah. And then this is the flip. And then this is the flip. Easily, I see modify. I see modify.
the dopest phone ever is V360
Père, how to speak Razor Flip yeah.
Razor Flip
Yeah, you're still behind. You ain't flipping your phones yet.
yeah
You're not flipping your phones.
Not.
You,
I saw the iPhone is gonna be a mini iPad and an iPhone. It's nice.
baba right nje yabona la spethi camera
You also got camera, boy. What you mean? These are cameras. These are
Mobicel
cameras.
camera.
Not Mobicel. These are actual lenses.
Mobicel mabathi express ibasho basho le phone yakho
Mina ngithi ngakushoot isithombe ungakhona.
ngicokubona ngicela ungishuta leso sithombe ngishuta isithombe guys futhi kusibona sivela kanjani then nami ngizomshuta isithombe abone ukuthi uvela kanjani uyabona sibone nje ukuthi ihamba
No, phela wena ilight engakuwe
okay bela singaphumelana
behind
ngaphandle
the light.
Singaphumelana ngaphandle.
Asiyi.
Cava kamele uzuphumela ngaphandle ukuthi size shoot isithombe esigrand hayi awuthi yabona le angle ohleli kuyo isithombe esidope
Asisithombe esidope.
shaya isithombe ngibona ngifuna ukubona nje isithombe sophuma kanjani
Light. My camera is light sensitive.
it's light sensitive
So the light is blurry.
mina yami mfethi kumnyama kubovu iyaveza quality
Siya.
zongitshela ngabo Z Flip hayi Kava yini usashaya ama settings lapha mina ngishoot
No, ngenza manual focus mana ube.
yo hayi ngoba ngithi
Ngenza focus uthami.
shaya isithombe uthami
Ngenzi focus man. Ngenzi man focus.
Nini ngismile yo. Ngiyakhathala lo. Yabona ukuthi hayi. Efuchuta mfethu ngimnyama vele. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi ongenza cute noma kanjani. Hawu mfethu.
Hayi yabi camera ina mafilter wona iqhimile.
Give up on phone.
Nah, my battery was dead. It was only 5% when the camera.
Oh shame. Ngicabanga ngimuhle kanje mina. Nizongibona nakula ukuthi ngimuhle. Why not? iPhone is the life, baba.
For you, baby.
Motorola.
Mamela, I'm Motorola. The reason I use Android is because I have total control over my Android phone. I can do things to it. I can sideload apps.
I can't sideload apps.
I can install a whole fucking Windows on my phone if I want to. You feel me? A whole operating system. I can plug this thing to a TV. Mamela, ngayipluga ku TV. Ngikhipha keyboard ne mouse. Ngiyenza computer. Basically, I can turn this old phone into a smart box. Okay, just plug it on my TV, HDMI, toilet. There we go.
Mara inking ukuthi once wayilahla le phone then fanele ukuthi ifose kuyifona omunye umuntu. Ngoba it's easy to unlock this phone.
Never.
To factory fault this phone.
I S10 mfana.
S10.
Yeah, S10. Maybe one ukuthi ishanga amabhandishi la, it's an S10.
The last time we shoot this Tombi the phone, hey, ngiqayekile ngithi hayi maybe ngishuta ngeHisense kathathu kadai phone yakho.
Siphi isithombe akusile leyo baba. Na how many years ihleli phu screen.
Ngijake manje ngakho. Angikhulumisana. Athini?
Yes.
Athini?
Khuluma ka.
So for me ngibona kanjalo nje am insurance friend at some point.
I'm not saying insurance is bad, but all I'm saying is insurance is monopoly.
Monopoly?
Yeah, monopoly.
Looks ngibona kanjani ne? For instance, let's say ngitshayise ngemoto.
Yeah.
Maybe like
sure.
And you're going to give me that money. Maybe insurance 100,000. What 400,000.
No. Phela ukhumbule ukuthi in terms of that isum insured yakho ephezulu. You understand? Shoot isum insured yakho mangabe 250. That's 250 that the vehicle is worth for. If it's a write-off, you need to pay off the value of the vehicle, which is the sum insured. Yeah. Yes, excluding now my excesses if akona they are applicable. So I understand.
If I have to pay excess, the 5,000.
As long as insurance is
Yo, yes.
Exactly. Yeah, I think feeling about personal. Said no more heating, said no more heating. Yeah, my robot, I'm born.
So I'm trying. Detect.
And
you
2,000 years.
Uyakhala mbona kithi. Thule kanjani namhlanje? Yeah, uwe lona. Black. Na black akwazi offer. Na black akwazi offer na. Simple ne. Mar mina ngifuna ukuba sexy boy. Sexy boy mabaso yabo. Uzweke. Manje wena mfethu ubani? Khona ude baba wena ubani mfethu?
Mina ngibiza uMandoza.
Umandoza inkalakatha. Hayi.
Can't take it. kimsati anke make up me athazi ka batho bao ba etsang ba ikwalang o batho ba tswile no ke kunabutaka
so kaphela le
ngaphila
shega o azama ukenya diski wabo go ga dlala diski ai rekela itshwetsa majita but I you see ayizanga
Okay, umama kwenzani? Asashaba my waiter. Cause it's all my.
Exactly episode yakhe amasini.
could be
Asisa trend namanje episode yakho njalo.
So why wena asita because
Yache, abantu bangavuli too much. Uzokubona comment or something. Che usibonisa.
presence ya maglasses
Mosquito. Ngiyamazi maya, hey. Yentsum zami lezi bhuti. Manje khambani masogcoka kanje.
Angithi wangithembisa ukuthi uzongishada.
Uthini na? Hey bana. Mina shada wena Mosquito.
Wangipromise ukuthi wena uzongishada yikho ngila.
Molet.
Thato. Wangakhuluma ngami ecela uzosilethela amakhamera.
Ngone umhlala ngithembisa.
builder ipolicy yamadoda.
Okay.
And guiding each other in terms of main issues and into his face nazo ziningi singamadoda this financial abuse.
Yeah. So this initiative for me, I honestly feel izosiza abachitapaya. Abapaya bethu siyakhala ne mara champisi because manje semachitini kuba igwarakwara. Awusakwazi
bese bengithi kunamanye amajitani abanye sithi yini amadoda
asiyeke le but yeah ngiyakuzwa but mina I like the fact ukuthi a lot of it's something I always say nasespanini because ngi team leader yabo always say ukuthi guys nina machita ngithanda ukuthatha kakhulu and you'll need to also voice out. Nikhumbuleni ukuthi at the first you are a human being before you are male or female. You're a human being. So your emotions will always be there. You understand? So in anything that you do, in everything that you facing, sometimes you need to cry. You need to tell the next person. But because sina machita sinalento lokuthi mangabo hethekile sizokuhleka uzube right. You understand? Sometimes you need to voice out without umuntu akuhleka or umuntu akujudge in a certain way. You understand? About being better, they are financially abused out here. Amachitapaya, they financially abused.
And we don't talk about it.
We don't.
And that thing it color from inside.
Yeah.
Because of there are a lot of expectations from a man.
Yeah.
And men are not supported.
Yes.
Firstly. So we need to come up with ideas and also to policies that will emphasize
yes.
More than because of if you check right now, I'll make an honest when there's a case a rape or out rape cherry.
Yeah.
Who do you see marching or by court? Only women. You see men also, okay?
Yeah, bro.
We are also supportive.
Yes.
But have ever seen women supporting, only saying, no, enough is enough about our men.
I call my campaign where they're fighting for men, you know. In the Tagameli says it's need.
Well, Sarmon Sante, you go, Pemona, Skaway to the ring. Another program.
It's been real. Now it's time to go home.